Given line segment RB below, use a compass and a straight edge to construct a segment that is 1/4 line segment RB. So first of all, you're going to ask yourself, well, can we cut line segment RB in 2 equal halves? Yes, we can. And we can do that by constructing a perpendicular bisector. The bisector part of it will cut line segment RB in 2 equal halves. So we will start with one end of our dual tool on R. So the center point should be aligned with point R. And you will slide a little past half of this line segment. So I will slide mine to about 5 centimeters. And we will make an arc up and down. Then you will do the same thing on the other endpoint. So with the center of the dual tool, you will place it on B. And you will swing the dual tool up and down. Now we just constructed a perpendicular bisector. So at points where the arcs intersect. And we're going to use a straight edge and connect those 2 points. This perpendicular bisector, I will color code it yellow, splits line segment RB in 2 equal halves. So R to this midpoint that we can label E is the same measure as line segment BE. Now, this is not the end of it because it's asking for one segment, a segment, that is 1/4 line segment RB. So what we need to do is actually do the same construction another time. So let's just say we're going to focus on line segment RE. You can also focus on line segment BE and cut it in half again. But for this problem with me, I'm going to just show you how to do it with line segment RE. So same thing. We're going to take our geo tool, place the center of the geo tool on R, slide the geo tool a little bit more than half the length of line segment RE. I will go with 2.5 centimeters, swing the arc up and down. Do the same thing on the other side with the center of the geo tool on E. I'll swing our geo tool up and also down. And now you have intersecting arcs over here that you can put a point. And we will connect those points again. And that's going to be our second perpendicular bisector. So not only does it create right angles or 90-degree angles with line segment RE, it also cuts it in half again. So this point here is the midpoint. This point here is the midpoint of line segment RE. And we can label this point H. So here we have 1/4 of this line segment RB. So we can say line segment RH is equal to 1/4 line segment RB. So we have a 1/4 here and a 1/4 here. And if we showed another perpendicular bisector for line segment BE or line segment EB, then we will also show a 1/4 here and a 1/4 here.